Today I'm going to show you how to install Oracle SQL Developer on a Chromebook. Just to let you know, all steps for this tutorial will be found in the description below. So firstly, we're going to want to go to the Oracle website and go to the SQL Developer downloads page. So you can just quickly Google that, you'll find it here. The link will be in the description. Scroll down to the bottom until you find other platforms, and it'll be the one that's 490 megabytes. It might be slightly different depending on the version that you're downloading, but just download that. I've already downloaded it, so I won't do it again, but download that version. Do not download the Linux RPM version. It's a little counterintuitive, but make sure you download other platforms, not the RPM one. So while that's downloading, we need to install the Oracle Java Development Kit. If you do not have this installed, just follow these steps. If you do have it installed, you will not need to install it, but it's a simple installation. All you need to do is go to your terminal, your Linux terminal, and type in sudo apt-get install default-jdk. I already have this installed, so it won't do anything here, but if you don't have it installed, it will then install that for you. Okay, so by this time your download will probably have finished, so just go to your files, go to wherever you've downloaded it, and then move it into your Linux files. So as you can see, I've already done this. I've moved it to my Linux files, and it's the SQL Developer no-jre.zip. Your version number might be slightly different, but it's 490 megabytes here. I've also downloaded, just to show, the wrong version. So if you've downloaded one and it ends in a .rpm, that's no good for us here, so just delete that. Make sure the one you've downloaded ends in .zip. Make sure you've put this in just the default Linux files folder. Do not put this into another folder, because then it makes it more hassle to work with. So once you've done that, you'll want to extract that file to your opt file directory. So to do that, we simply go sudo unzip, and then the file that we have there, which is SQL Developer, and the version number -no.jre.zip. Your version number might be slightly different, but just make sure you copy that exactly from what your file's called, the exact name, and then space -d space /opt/. That will then unzip that file in the directory opt. I've already done this, so I won't do it again. Once you've done that, you then want to put in the command sudo space chmod space +x, and then the directory we've just used there, so that's /opt /SQL Developer /SQL Developer.sh. That's the file we want there. So just enter that command. I've already done it, so I won't do it again. Once that's complete, you then want to go to that directory with a file explorer. I'm just using Dolphin here. You can use another explorer of your choice. I just like Developer. So what we'll do is we'll go to the root directory. That's the very root. We'll scroll down, we'll go to opt, we'll see SQL Developer there, open that. We'll scroll all the way down to SQL Developer.sh. You'll open that with, you can use any sort of editor of your choice. You could use Atom, Vim. I'm going to use VS Code. So I'll open that with VS Code. It won't look like this, it'll look slightly different, but what you want to do is you want to just delete anything that's inside here and replace it with this text here, which you'll find in the description. So just copy and paste that in, save it. It will probably ask you if you want to save that as sudo, to sudo save it, so you have admin permissions. Do that, make sure it's saved, close that off, and that's everything. That's it installed there. So now if you want to run SQL Developer, you just go to the command line, the terminal, and you do sh -x SQL Developer. That's the folder I have in my default Linux files, and then SQL developer.sh and then run that. And as we can see, SQL Developer is opening now. So that's how you would install Oracle SQL Developer on a Chromebook. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them.